Hi, my name is Anna Faber and I'm a PhD candidate at the University of Western Australia. Together with my colleagues, I teach bacteria how to eat plastic in marine conditions. My biggest inspiration is to have a meaning in life and to use my knowledge to make a positive change. So with my current research, I use my skills in synthetic biology and science communication to fight plastic pollution. So I'm tackling one of the most pressing environmental and health crises known to date. I first started caring about plastic pollution when I saw my plastic bin back home overflowing and there wasn't anything I or my family really could do about it. So I wanted to study and I wanted to use my biological skill set to make a change and develop a more sustainable recycling method. Here I'm holding plastic pollution in a jar. This sample I took from the Swan River estuary here in Perth, just scooping it up from the river and not changing its composition. So we can see that plastic pollution is also very much a local problem and does not only happen in countries far away. Most of the plastic waste in here is actually from local sources. So we really have to tackle how we treat plastic waste also in Western Australia. With the support of the Forest Research Foundation, the sky is the limit for my research, but also for my personal development as a young woman in science. For about 2 decades, the research community has known of bacteria in nature that can degrade plastics using molecular scissors, and we call those enzymes. Unfortunately, this process is very slow. So to ramp up efficiency, we produce the fastest plastic-degrading enzymes with the fastest growing bacterium in the world, in the lab and in seawater. So this model blob is actually how my enzyme looks like. These enzymes are produced by bacteria and are the molecular scissors that cut down plastic molecules. So a plastic molecule is a long thread of repeating units that can fit into the mouth of the enzyme and then is chopped into its single building blocks, which the bacteria can use as food. So for the very first time in research history, and since last year, the research community, including our lab, is able to work on plastic degradation in marine conditions. The most rewarding aspect about my work is its direct applicability. So every morning when I get up and I walk into the lab, I contribute to fight plastic pollution, working with the fastest and most interesting microbial heroes that we know. So we envision microbial plastic degradation to become a more sustainable recycling method in the future, which turns plastic waste into a valuable resource rather than littering it into the environment. This way we hope to break free from fossil fuels, reduce carbon emissions and foster true sustainability. Here at Forest Hall, the Foundation brings together experts from all around the world, including forest scholars and fellows. So for example, I have relocated to Perth from Germany, and my neighbours and best friends here at Forest Hall are from France, Brazil, the United States, New Zealand and China. The most important lesson of my personal career has been to pursue my very own interests and to find meaning in life also through work. By combining unique skill sets and traveling uncharted territories have made me quite different, but in the best way, and have helped me to find my true self.